Abby Zustiak, and I am from Coon Rapids, Minnesota. Yeah, and this is my first time on a STAR team.
Hello, my name is Carlos, and I live in Cihuatepeque, and this is my first time in STAR team.
My name is Megan Guevara, and I live in Cihuatepeque, Honduras, and I have been on, this is my 4th STAR team to participate in, my 5th one being present at.
My name is Sandy Silseth. I live in Coon Rapids, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, and this is my 7th STAR team.
STAR teams are my favorite because, especially the medical team, because I get to be hands and a voice to help meet a need, and that is something that I see the reality of every day, but only during this week of the year am I able to do something about it in this way.
I like this team because we can work together to help other people and fix their problems and to share the gospel with them.
The ability to do a short term, it's not 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's not a month, it's not 6 months, it's a week. Come, get in, do some great loving on some people that just really appreciate you coming.
I like STAR team because of the fact that it's in a church. The pastor of the church is living in that community, and he has a chance to come back and interact with his neighbors, people in his community, so that there's follow-up. There's not just one time in and out.
My superpower is that I can whistle with my tongue.
My superpower is that I'm able to anticipate needs before they're verbalized. You don't even have to ask. Just look, now I'm gonna have that thing ready, handed out to you before you even ask for it.
My superpower, I don't really have one, but my superpower is I have a servant's heart attitude. I'm not a good chief, but I'm a wonderful Indian.
My superpower is the ability to attract bugs within a 10-mile radius.